Today I show you an unboxing of this Amazon Basics DisplayPort to HDMI cable. This is a 4K 60 capable cable and I'm hoping it can do Full HD 120. One of my screens here is Full HD 120 and the other screen is Full HD 60, so if it doesn't work on the 120 it will be used on the other screen. This is going to be used when I get the new graphics card, the RTX 5080, in case I need it. Let's open the box. There's not much information on the box itself. Amazon Basics. The packaging on the Amazon Basics products are pretty simple, but usually they are pretty good. So usually these are surprisingly good Amazon Basics products. I have a Amazon Basics memory card and that's pretty good. I wanna see. I'm curious if I can. Oh, I have to cut it with the. Okay. So that's the cable. It looks very solid and the loop of the cable is pretty small so that it can fit in a box like this, a smaller box, so it doesn't need a large package. And that's the package itself. It's cardboard, so 100% recyclable, including the paper. Only these cable ties and the dust covers, they are plastic. Some kind of information for Mexico for some reason. Mexico. Let's see how it looks like. The feeling of this is pretty good. It feels like good quality and the thickness is really good. Yeah. So you have the Amazon Basics cable. This is 1.8 meters. Should be 1.8 meters right there. Yeah, it feels really, it's nice and it has a good length to it. So I have it like this and it's pretty good length, almost 2 meters. I don't need to use it yet. But I have it just in case I will need it. 4K 60 Hz output. So this is the output here. It's HDMI. So it goes from DisplayPort input to output HDMI, not the other way around. This is the connector for the DisplayPort. It says there input, Amazon Basics, and that's the HDMI port. That's how it looks like. I will put the connectors back because I don't really need it yet and I don't want it to get super dusty. And I will try to loop it back, kind of. I don't want to make it as tight as it was before. For me, it's okay like this, a bit more relaxed here. And I will put also the cable ties, so it sits, it doesn't get all tangled when it sits in the drawer. Yeah. This is a cable that converts a DisplayPort on your graphics card to an HDMI cable on your monitor. So HDMI cable goes to the monitor, the other side, the DisplayPort, goes to on the graphics card. These days most graphic cards will have 3 DisplayPorts and only 1 HDMI, so you might need a cable like this to convert DisplayPort into an HDMI port. I'll try this in a future video and show you how it works. It's pretty easy. You simply plug in the DisplayPort on the computer, graphics card, and the HDMI to the screen and hope it works. Thanks for watching.